I call my motherfucking phone. That's why niggas ain't getting no ass. I don't wanna hear shit.
Shit. Fat ass. Damn. Excuse me, sweetheart.
What's up?
You got a
Damn.
name?
Yeah, nigga, my name Maintenance. What's good?
Alright, well, listen here, mate. You should've got you a man to be out here shoveling and cleaning this motherfucking car.
Well, as you can see, I don't motherfucking have one. Now, if you ain't about to get in here and get some with me, then get the fuck over there.
Alright. Fine ass could've just hired somebody to do this shit.
Can I hire you to leave me the fuck alone?
Missed the spot up there. Yo, man, stop fucking playing with me, dead ass. No, I'm just trying to get your number so I can keep it pushing. Stop playing.
How about you help me push this motherfucking snow?
Alright, I'm gonna make this easy for you. I got you right now. Sir? I gotta give it up, right?
What are you doing?
What I'm doing?
Excuse me?
You taking mad long to clean your fucking car. I'm just trying to get your number. Like, you wild disrespect.
This mother... You motherfucker!